Okay, I have a stock that I want to talk about. It has not been talked about yet. I'm not in it for transparency reasons, but I will be looking to get into this one after much research I have done. It has great volume. It's kind of meeting my system, and this just shows you the relevancy of you don't just get in right when it touches the ATR4, and I'm going to show you guys what I'm talking about here. So if you're looking at my chart here, my strategy here, I have the three bands here. Those are your EMAs. The purple's your 5, the 10 is your yellow, and the 20 is this blue. The lower band is where you're considered a buy zone. So if anybody that's in NDRA and maybe you're looking to get in it, or and you're like, wow, is this thing going to pump? This thing just went down drastically, and I'm looking at this thing. It had earnings right here, so usually they all dump on earnings. So right in here, it had earnings. It went down 5%. I mean, 22%, then 19, and 59%, and bingo, bingo, bing. This is where it catches all retail traders. It's down 59%. It's on scanners. It's on the biggest losers. So everybody, just like retail traders, they like to buy this because they're like, oh, it's a discount. Let's go forward here. Next day, we're down 32%. We're down negative 0.43. And now today, we're down 11%. You see the power of waiting, and I'm going to show you guys why you should wait and how I would just not buy it right away. So, ATR4, we're good. It's hitting this lower band. That is in a really extreme oversold pattern. Right in here, we had a reverse split, 1 for 50, so I'd like to wait at least for those. Don't just get in right away. That's what caused this big drop. The volume's really good. 7 million, 18 million, 10 million. Let's look at before. It did not have really good volume till now. So do keep in mind that all the volume is coming in from all this drop that's it's had. So if you look at the past, you're averaging around 200,000 volume. So NDRA, why is it on my list? I'm going to show you guys. So our first target, when you look at EMAs, your EMAs are your price predictions. That's where price has to go back to. It will. It will touch the EMA 5, the 10, and the 20. It has to. Every price does that. Will it touch the 20 soon? Will it touch the 10 soon? No, I'm not expecting that. The 10 is at 1.40, 1.43. The 20 is at 2.30. That is outrageous gains if it does that. So the EMA 5 is more understandable. That's at 80 cents, guys. That is literally 100% move from this area here. I mean, it's awesome. So how I'm looking to trade this is a very low K. The K right now, if you look at the top left, or my bad, the bottom left over here, you see where my cursor is? That's going to be your stochastic oscillator. I use it a lot. It's one of the best stochastic oscillators you'll ever find. The KDJ, and I only use the K. The lower the K, the more oversold it is. It will never go to 0. I've never seen it go to 0. It's very rare if it ever goes to 1, but we're at a very low number. It's at 3.02. This is kind of the point where I'm looking for pennies. I like to look for it under 3. So the next thing I'm going to look at is how many what's the time distance of not touching the EMA 5? Well, if you look at it, we haven't touched it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 daily candles of not touching the EMA 5. So I'm like, okay, all right. So we're due for an EMA 5. Anything that don't touch the EMA 5 in 7 daily candles is kind of long. And when you look at the price history, we're always going back and forth. Let's look at the last drop here. It hits the ATR4, jumps up, and literally touches the EMA 5 in a heartbeat. It does not have to do that. Here's the last drop. That was a little more iffy, right? And kind of what we're experiencing now. Everybody gets in on these big drops. It goes down 15, 29, 30, and everyone's just route in. But as you can see, price slowly creeps up to the EMA 5. Sometimes it does it very swift, sometimes it doesn't. But as you can see, we had not touched the EMA 5 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, or 7. This 8th candle clearly hits it, and what happens is algos tell you where it's going to go. Not a lot of the times do we just hit the 10 right off the back. We get a rejection pattern, and then this is the really big buy zone here. You get under here, and then you start going to the 10 as it has massive room up. So, yeah, I'm just looking at it. NDRA has respected my price action to a T. You hit the upper band, sells off, hits the EMA 5, can't go up, hits this, sells off. But as you can see, we're always going through the EMA 5, 10s, and 20s. And as you can see, price is acting in a very professional way. When price goes away, These EMAs will get touched, but we want to make sure there's time distance. We want to make sure we're getting very precise entries and all that. So let's go back to the current data. I just want to go through the past and just kind of see what NDRA has done in the past. Has it done this? And it has done this before. So the volume is obviously good. It's at 7 million. It is going to go down more and more as the shorts start covering, or it gets a little less notice here. But I think a lot of eyes are on this here. A lot of retail traders are obviously early, as always. That's why I do the opposite of what retail traders do. I let price kind of stagnate out. This right here would be the falling knife scenario. You start seeing it go down and down and down, and this is what time distance saves you. It starts to be like, okay, are we starting to get close to a bottom here? We know there's big room up to the EMA5. I don't suspect it hits it in a day or two. It's a little too high. Well, if the EMA5 was like right in this area, sure, we can get this massive move up. So I suspect, we go down here a little, price starts to creep back up, but I would be looking for this, if we do the math here again, we haven't touched it in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maybe 8 to 10 days I'll be looking for this. So maybe a couple daily candles, but I'm really watching that K on the KDJ. It's at a 3.02. This could literally skyrocket and save a lot of your guys' accounts. This could make a very nice gain. So this is my number one play. I'm looking at it. I like it. Good volume. It has respected price action before. So we'll keep this one on watch, and we'll go forward on this. If you guys have not joined the Discord, this is your time to do it, guys. I'm telling you guys are going to learn a strategy that works. It has an over 95% win ratio. We just had a banger today has just been awesome. Yesterday has been really awesome. Give you a little secret. We went for Mon. Mon went up big time. CTNT just went up really big. And a lot of it is just reversions to the mean. Algos control the market, right? We know we're facing a lot of bots. Bots are telling you guys where the thing goes. When price starts pumping, I'm not chasing it. I will not chase it. I know where I'm looking to sell, and I stick to the plan, and I follow this exact system. What you just saw was a short tutorial on what I'm doing. Click the link down below in YouTube comments and in the description. It'll say join the Discord. When you join, it'll take you to this free chat landing page. You can read the testimonies if you want. Lots of good reviews. Avoid scammers. I'll never message or DM you first. How to subscribe, you can read that. But the easiest way to subscribe is hit the top left on Server Shop, and there's 2 things you can do. Day and Swing Trading Plus is going to give you guys the most value. I'm just going to be honest. For $12 a month, you miss out on a McDonald's Happy Meal, whatever you want to call, and put your future and put your, learn this education here. A lot of people are saying they learned a lot. It took me many years to develop a trading plan like this that has over the years has made me consistent money. Like I said, it's no joke, an over 95% win ratio. And I mean that even in the worst times, the depressing times when the markets are really bad, you can still make money. I like day trading the most. It makes me the most amount of money. I just did a day trade, making me 20% gains in literally a matter of 5 minutes of trading. And a lot of my day trades are going up 100%. But I always teach you guys to be very disciplined, take the conservative gains so you can always live another day. So Day and Swing Trading Plus, do subscribe for that. $12 a month. Do it on your computer and won't charge you anything more. If you do it on your phone, you will get charged an iOS fee. But let's try to get into this, and you can see all the channels will unlock here. You get access to everything. You even get my live streams. I go live for you guys, and you can see in real time, see my charts, see what I'm looking for. You get my swing trade alerts, swing trading education, day trade alerts, and this is just kind of a format you can see right here. Like we took IWM puts, and you can literally see from 10:11, and then right here on 10:17, literally a 6-minute trade and went up over 20%, guys. And it ended up going right here to the 130s from you can see where I bought 0.80s, 104, and then went all the way over here. Yeah, it's an awesome strategy. All right, guys, this is NDRA. It's on my watch. Let's see what we can do here. My prediction is EMA5, so watch that price target. Obviously, I'm going to alert in the Discord when I get in, and I'm going to be watching this, guys. All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the Discord. Happy trading. Stay blessed. Stay humble. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. It helps me a lot, helps the algorithm, and I'll see you in the next video.